Okay, so we're going to show the mode switch AM mod that needs to be done if you install an AM filter in this FT101. This FT101E here. Okay, so now let's just go to these pins here. Let me get it in the camera. Okay, we had pin 1 to pin 2, pin 2 to pin 3. These are now all jumpered. This pin 1 to 2 was already jumpered. Leave that alone. And you're going to take the wire that went from pin 2 down to pin 5. You cut that off, and you just take a little short piece of it now, and you tie it to pin 3. Leave the blue wire alone. That's also the pin 3. And leave this side of the diode alone. That's also the pin 3. You've taken the red wire, you cut that red wire, and you bring it over and you attach it to the ground of the microphone right here. While you're at it, replace that capacitor if it hasn't been done so. It's a 10 UF. It's a 25 volt I put in there. I believe it's originally a 16. So place that. Okay, so we've got 1, 2 handled. You move the red wire. 3, you've jumped. Okay. Then this diode, the other end of this diode ran to pin 5 down there. You cut that. You bring that up and you solder that to pin 4. Pin 4 originally had a yellow wire just like that to it. You cut that original yellow wire. And you took the wire that was yellow and you take it and you now solder it down to pin 5 down there. That's the wire that was originally on pin 4. But you can see there's another yellow wire there, and that's the last step. This yellow wire comes off the heater switch and connects to bus number 9. There's 2 yellow wires there. You're going to cut the one that goes to the top of the heater switch. Cut it there, pull it through, and you can see it comes from the heater switch, loops around, and that now attaches to pin 4 along with that other side of the diode. You've got that. That's it. That's your complete AM filter mode switch modification there. Hope that helped.